A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Let's start directly with LuxAlgo pricing, because this platform is positioned very clearly as a premium signal and indicator ecosystem rather than a broker or execution platform. LuxAlgo operates on a subscription model with two main plans, Premium and Ultimate. On a monthly basis, the Premium plan is priced at $67.99 per month and is designed for active discretionary traders who want structured signals and advanced indicators without automation. If you switch to yearly billing, the price drops significantly to $39.99 per month, billed annually, which represents roughly a 40% discount compared to paying monthly. This annual option is clearly targeted at traders who already know they will use the tools consistently and want to reduce long-term costs. The Ultimate plan sits at the top of LuxAlgo's offering and is priced at $119.99 per month when billed monthly. With annual billing, that price drops to $59.99 per month, offering up to 50% savings. This plan is positioned for traders who want AI-assisted automation, advanced backtesting, and access to LuxAlgo's strategy engine, rather than just visual signals. Both plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which slightly lowers the entry risk for new users who want to test the platform in live market conditions, without fully committing upfront. Feature-wise, LuxAlgo is heavily focused on price action and indicator-based decision support. The Premium plan includes price action concepts, algorithms with a built-in screener, signals and overlays, integrated directly into TradingView, oscillator matrix tools, advanced alerts and scanner alerts that can be routed through Discord. These tools are designed to help traders identify structure, trend strength, liquidity zones, and momentum without manually stacking dozens of indicators or relying on subjective chart interpretation. The Ultimate plan builds on that foundation by adding AI-driven automation. This includes access to an AI agent that can analyze millions of strategy combinations, generate strategy alerts, feed automation inputs, auto-replicate AI strategies on TradingView, and participate in a backtesting community with shared templates. This shifts LuxAlgo from a pure signal tool into a semi-systematic research and automation environment, though execution still happens externally through the trader's chosen broker. On the pro side, LuxAlgo offers strong visual clarity, deep indicator logic, seamless TradingView integration, flexible billing with meaningful annual discounts, and an ecosystem that supports both discretionary and semi-automated traders. It's especially appealing for traders who already live inside TradingView and want structured, rules-based confirmation layered on top of their existing workflow. On the con side, LuxAlgo does not execute trades, does not manage risk automatically, and does not replace a broker. Signals still require trader discretion, and the learning curve can be steep for beginners unfamiliar with price action concepts and market structure. Costs can also add up over time if you stay on monthly billing, particularly for the Ultimate plan, and results ultimately depend on how well the trader applies the signals, manages risk, and adapts to changing market conditions rather than the signals alone. FP Markets pricing operates on a completely different model because FP Markets is a full-service broker offering CFD, forex, equity CFD, and futures access rather than a pure analysis platform. There is no software subscription in the traditional sense. Instead, costs are embedded into spreads, commissions, exchange fees, and platform-specific charges depending on what and how you trade. For CFD equities using direct market access, FP Markets applies exchange-based commissions per side with minimum charges that vary by region. For example, Australian equity CFDs are charged at a percentage rate with a minimum Australian dollar amount, while US equities are priced per share with a minimum US dollar ticket fee. International markets such as London, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, and Singapore all have their own commission structures and minimums, which means costs scale with both trade size and market selection. For futures CFDs, FP Markets applies fixed per contract pricing depending on the exchange, including CME, Eurex, and ASX products. Forex, indices, metals, and commodities are commission-free in the traditional sense, with costs built directly into the spread instead. This structure favors high-frequency traders who understand spread dynamics and execution quality rather than fixed monthly pricing. Platform fees also vary. MetaTrader platforms are free, while advanced DMA platforms such as iResTrader or Viewpoint may carry a monthly fee that can be rebated if sufficient trading volume or commission thresholds are met. Market data fees for live exchange feeds may apply depending on platform and region, although some data is available on a delayed or rebated basis. Feature-wise, FP Markets delivers broker-level execution with access to leverage, short selling, DMA pricing, and multi-asset exposure across global markets. Traders gain access to professional-grade charting, advanced order types, market depth, and platform flexibility across desktop, web, and mobile environments. The broker supports both discretionary and active trading styles, including hedging, scalping, and multi-market portfolio strategies. On the pro side, FP Markets offers broad market access, competitive pricing for active traders, strong execution infrastructure, and flexible platform choices. It suits traders who want real market exposure rather than just analytical overlays. On the con side, pricing is fragmented and harder to estimate upfront. Costs depend heavily on trade size, market, platform, and data subscriptions. Beginners may find the structure complex, and frequent trading can accumulate significant fees if risk management is not disciplined. In terms of user feedback, LuxAlgo currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6 out of 5, based on 1,527 reviews, reflecting strong sentiment around indicator quality, customer support, and usability. FP Markets holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.8 out of 5 based on over 9,700 reviews at the time of recording. Ratings are subject to change, may vary by region and expectations, and viewers should always verify directly on Trustpilot for the most current data. Final takeaway: if your priority is clean chart logic, structured confirmation, and trading view-based decision support, without worrying about execution costs, LuxAlgo is the better fit. If your goal is active trading across forex, CFDs, equities, and futures with real market access and broker-level execution, FP Markets is built for that role. These tools are not replacements for one another. They serve entirely different purposes. Choose LuxAlgo to improve how you decide, and choose FP Markets to control how you execute. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading software comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually matches how you trade, manage risk, and grow with confidence, not just what looks good on a pricing page.